If you're experiencing login issues on Stack 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot common issues and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are often case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to reset your password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use sROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Check server status. If the issue persists, check if Stack 2026 is experiencing server issues. Visit their official social media pages or status page for updates on any ongoing outages. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Stack 2026. If problems continue, consider reaching out to their support team for further assistance.